With more than 35 years of professional experience, Master Electrician Veronica Rose is here to give us a few examples of when you should make that call to your electrician. Thanks for being here, Veronica.
Thank you for having me today. I am thrilled beyond belief to be teaming up with 3M Scotch Electrical Tape to celebrate their 75th anniversary. This product is trusted by the pros. We use it when we want to do the job right the first time. Believe it or not, a lot of the do-it-yourself projects evolve into needing a pro. A good example is an extension cord. Extension cords are designed so that you're supposed to have only one plugged in, and it's only to be on a temporary basis. If you find you need to plug an extension cord into an extension cord to reach something, that's when you need to call a pro. And when it comes to rewiring, it's important to use a quality electrical tape. It needs to have superior strength, stretchability, and adhesion to make sure you have a tight seal. And if you would like to check out more about 3M Scotch Electrical Tape, please head over to 3m.com/super33plus.